Good day, traders. The trade for today we'll be looking at a quick trade is called Bidvest or BVT on the date of the 27th of January. Looking at this trade, entry levels start at 80 shares, 167.84 entry, take profit 176.70, stop loss 166. Long type of trade you can do there. You can see on the right side, this is the losses, and that is the rewards we can make on this trade. Doing a long trade again, but let's go and look at the trade itself on BVT. Now if you look at BVT at an entry of 167, we're looking at just lower, currently trading at 168.89. We expect to come a bit lower here and then a bit of a bounce up. You can see in your indicators as well, we can expect a bit of a bounce up on a 4-hour chart by looking at the MACD as well as the stochastics. Looking at the 1-day chart, you can see there's a bit of a bottom happening here, and we might expect very soon that this might start changing and that bargain hunters might come into this specific trade. That is why we're looking at it as a possibility.